It's a slow fall this year. I know you know what I mean. When I saw you composing ears to listen, I am quiet in my noticing. But what I wanted to say to you in this moment was, my daisy blooms for you. When I say my daisy blooms, I mean you're cute. I mean you're good at flirting. I mean I'd like you in my corner. When I think of the bob and weave, I think of this boxing ring. I think of this epic fight for living a life guided by intuition, poetry, a life full of meaning. When I say meaning, I mean I'd like to see you under moonlight. I'd like to see you when the sun comes up in my mind. This ricochet of rain off glass windows between us, these droplet prisms containing colors imperceivable to us, and yet we both know they were there.